Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking few cards. So we already have a card here, one more card. These are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Cancers, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Cancers. And this is an intuitive reading. So at some point, you may get the answers you need for your circumstances. So it's better if you watch till the end of the reading, Cancer. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. So we have Three of Wands in reverse, Page of Swords in reverse, and Four of Wands. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you are someone maybe in some difficult circumstance, some lack of clarity may be there, maybe in your work when you're making some important choices. You don't know what to do or what will be the right thing for you. Something unexpected or unforeseen changes may take place today. Maybe it may be the situation in this relationship. Maybe this person you love, they may have some difficult circumstance. Maybe they are sick, they are meeting with some unexpected circumstance. It may be a sickness they are coping up with, or it may be some drastic news they are seeing difficulty in their life. So it may be your energy or their energy in this relationship. So you are worried for them and you are so much sad, so much confused. You don't know what to do or how to handle this circumstance. Maybe there may be people against your person or against you. So a lot of confusion or some difficult circumstances are there today for you, Cancers. But with these cards, with a Three of Wands in reverse and Four of Wands here, it looks like your circumstances are resolving. Maybe all those disappointments, sadness, stress, whatever it was, maybe some emotional difficulty, something would have gone wrong, whatever it is today, all that is changing. All that is changing for something better, something good. And you are going to feel so happy, confident, because in your life today, you are going to see that true happiness, true peace of mind, success, maybe whatever this situation is, maybe whatever difficulty your person is having. It may be a financial difficulty or it may be a physical difficulty, maybe they are sick, some kind of sickness, whatever it is, they are healing. Circumstances are changing. Definitely, guys, your circumstances are definitely changing. No more difficulty, no more troubles in your life today. So, we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's Queen of Cups. So, looks like they are someone loving and caring towards you. So this person loves you. This person loves your uniqueness. They want to be with you. And they are loving, caring. And you may have a mutual love, understanding in this relationship. And things are falling into place. All those difficulties you are facing. So you're seeing no more difficulties today in your life. Cancers. So some kind of a quick change is what I see for y'all today. So for your career circumstances, we picked one card. We will see what it is, and it's Ace of Cups. So in your career, you are seeing some very good opportunity, something which you love, maybe um, offers for something which you are really passionate about. So you are getting those offers today, and that those offers are taking you towards success and prosperity, Cancers. So that is the reading with these cards, Cancers. And overall, I see a very happy changes, happy ending for you all guys. So in your career and in your relationship, things are falling into place, Cancers. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so we will start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So, for those who chose this card, we will see what it is. Fair brown and trembling. So, with this card, the energy is that in your situation today, whenever this card comes to you, it just means that you are supposed to manifest whatever you wish for and do not accept the fate someone else is forcing upon you. You will, maybe you are shy about something, you are feeling really humiliated, and all that humiliation you have gone through in your life, all that troubles or whatever circumstances, toxic circumstances you have been through, and you were really hurt. But very soon you will find the person who will respect you for what you are, respect your characteristics, respect your uniqueness. And this person will protect you, and this person will fight for you, and they will also search for you if you are not to be found. That will be their dedication to you and to this love you both will share. And there is a good fortune coming to you, guys, for those who chose this card. And you need to value yourself and believe in yourself, because each and every one of us are unique in our own way. Maybe the strangeness or shyness, whatever it is the most valued and treasured qualities you have. You need to understand that. And all that goodness you have today, maybe the opportunities, maybe people within your own family are not kind towards you. They are quite jealous, or they are thinking of you in a bad way. They may have bad intentions towards you. And you need to understand that if you are in a good position, maybe financially, or um, that's what I mean. Financially, if you are in a good position, you have a lot of things people may be envious about. It is all the fruits of your own hard work, and you need not give it away to someone. You need not share it with the people who do not care for you, guys. It will never bring happiness to that person and only to you. And you need to understand that. And you are someone unique, and you need to have that trust in yourself. And you will find that true love, long lasting love, that is coming towards you, and this person will understand you and respect you for what you are, what you truthfully are, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have Pink Sapphire. So it is a crystal spirits card here, guys. So with this card, it just means that you need to heal yourself. That is the energy with this crystal spirit, the pink sapphire spirit. It just means that you need to turn inward and you need to be concerned about yourself and not with others at this particular time. Let go of any urge you are having to think about the past, assessing what happened, what went wrong, and reliving the past. That is not going to help you in any way. You need to, you deserve to be happy, confident, and faithful. So, in order to achieve all that, you must let go of all that old stories, release the pain that is no longer serving you. So, you need to, maybe sometimes we may feel sad, we may feel like crying. We need to vent it all, vent out, go for a good cry, give up all that energy out of you, all that negative energy out of you, make way for it out of you. And you need to fill yourself up with love and acceptance that you so much deserve today. So, this crystal card just reminds you that you are what you are, all that you need to be right now. You are whole, you are someone, a beautiful spirit, and conscious universe which is loving you is telling you that you are very strong as you are, and you need not feel anything negative about you. And this crystal spirit teaches us forgiveness, guys. So when we forgive, we let go of all those toxic feelings and we welcome love and happiness in our heart. So that is the energy here with this card. And that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.